Groundwater surveyors play a crucial role in assessing and monitoring the availability and quality of groundwater resources. Sadar Bazar, located in Delhi, is one such area where the services of groundwater surveyors are highly sought after. With increasing population and urbanization, the demand for water has also escalated, making it essential to have a comprehensive understanding of the groundwater situation in Sadar Bazar. These surveyors use various techniques and tools to collect data on the groundwater levels, recharge rates, and quality of water in the area. Sadar Bazar is a bustling commercial hub in Delhi, with numerous shops, markets, and residential areas. This constant human activity puts immense pressure on the groundwater resources in the area. Groundwater surveyors in Sadar Bazar are responsible for conducting detailed studies to determine the quantity and quality of groundwater available. They use advanced technologies such as geophysical surveys, borehole logging, and pumping tests to gather information about the aquifer's characteristics. By analyzing this data, they can provide valuable insights into the sustainability and potential risks associated with groundwater extraction in Sadar Bazar. The work of groundwater surveyors in Sadar Bazar goes beyond just data collection. They also play a crucial role in designing and implementing effective groundwater management strategies. By collaborating with government agencies, NGOs, and local communities, these surveyors help develop sustainable solutions to address water scarcity issues. They may recommend measures such as rainwater harvesting systems, artificial recharge structures, or water conservation practices to ensure the long-term availability of groundwater resources in Sadar Bazar. SCON Design is a renowned consulting firm specializing in environmental engineering and sustainable development. With their expertise in groundwater assessment and management, they have been instrumental in supporting the work of groundwater surveyors in Sadar Bazar. SCON Design's team of experts collaborate with surveyors to analyze the collected data and provide valuable insights into the hydrogeological conditions of the area. By combining their knowledge of engineering principles with environmental considerations, SCON Design helps develop customized solutions that meet the specific needs of Sadar Bazar. The collaboration between groundwater surveyors and SCON Design has led to significant advancements in understanding Sadar Bazar's groundwater resources. Their joint efforts have not only helped assess the current state of groundwater availability, but have also contributed towards developing sustainable strategies for future water management. By implementing sustainable water management strategies, these professionals are working towards ensuring a secure and reliable water supply for Sadar Bazar's present and future needs. Groundwater surveyors play a crucial role in assessing and managing the availability and quality of groundwater resources in various areas. In Sadar Bazar, a bustling commercial hub in Delhi, the need for groundwater surveyors is particularly important due to the ever-increasing demands for water in both domestic and industrial sectors. These surveyors are responsible for conducting detailed investigations to determine the quantity and quality of groundwater in the area, as well as identifying potential sources of contamination. By utilizing advanced technologies and scientific methods, these professionals provide valuable insights into the condition of groundwater and help develop strategies for its sustainable use. Sadar Bazar, located in the heart of Delhi, is a densely populated area with numerous residential and commercial establishments. The demand for water in this area is high, and it heavily relies on groundwater.